Suspects for today's dinner is gonna be chicken, because we are going to make chicken parmesan with some spaghetti as the bottom part for the actual chicken. I'm gonna open these up, split them in half, and then smash them with. I'm not gonna smash them. I'm just gonna kind of thin them out with this thing. There's two chicken breasts in there, so I should end up with 8. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's 2 chicken breasts. Split in half is 4 times 2 is 8. I can do mathematics. Then I'm gonna do I'm gonna break some eggs. I'm gonna break those eggs, and then I'm gonna make them into a whisk them. Sorry. Then I'm gonna put some flour into this guy, and I'm gonna mix breadcrumbs with some Parmesan cheese. I meant to grab the like Italian Parmesan cheese, but I totally biffed it and forgot. So anyways, once I have that those chicken breasts ready, with some oil, some butter, I'm gonna start frying them basically. And then once I have them all pretty much ready, I will throw them in the oven for 400, I think it was, for 15 to 20 minutes. Probably do 15. And then for that step, what I'm gonna do is, when they're all kind of nice and golden brown on the outside, is I'm gonna put them in the oven with a slice of this provolone cheese on top of each one. And then I'm gonna use this. So basically, it's gonna be the chicken breast, breaded, golden brown, with this 4 cheese pasta sauce. Because my girl, that's her favorite, I guess. I don't really tell much of a difference, but it's cool. So, anyways, this will go on top of these. I'll slice these up, put a piece on top. And then I'm gonna also do I'm gonna do some spaghetti. It's gonna be really plain, nothing crazy, with this sauce, just some regular pasta sauce. So it'll just be these 2 components by themselves. Everything else will be done away from this. So I'll basically end up with a thing of pasta. A bowl of pasta. I'm sorry, a dish of pasta, and I'll have these chicken fillets with the melted cheese and all that good stuff. Oh, I'm gonna add on the on the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese. I am gonna add some chili flakes. I'm probably gonna add some oregano too. We'll see. Obviously, I can't taste this because it's going to be raw chicken. But I might just go with my gut and do a light oregano and see how it turns out. So, I haven't done this yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come out fine. So, anyways, let's get started because din din time is coming up.